In this video I will discuss about 15-minute walking exercises to lose belly fat. Simple workout. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the love story between two very different characters from Riverdale. So let's get started. In the world of Riverdale, there's an unexpected pairing that many fans are rooting for, Forsyth Pullman and Don McLean. Now, you might be wondering, who are these characters? Let me fill you in. Forsyth Pullman is a fictional character from the book Carousel Moon, created by none other than Don McLean. Although Carousel Moon is not a real moon, it's actually a collection of short stories written by the one and only Donald McLean. Interestingly enough, Forsyth Pullman and Don McLean share the same initials, FP and DM, just like Archie and Veronica. Now, let's talk about how these two unlikely lovers came to be. In a recent interview with Entertainment Weekly, Riverdale's showrunner revealed that the idea for this relationship was inspired by a song called Fancy Pants. It's not clear if this is a real song or just something they made up for the show. However, one thing is certain, Riverdale fans are absolutely in love with this unexpected romance. That wraps up today's video on the love story between Forsyth Pullman and Don McLean in Riverdale. I hope you enjoyed learning more about these two characters. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.